Express Chem, manufacturer of rust inhibitors, industrial rust inhibitors and surface finishing and stuff like that. But today, more importantly, we're going to talk about their ExpressBlast rust inhibitor. Today, we're going to talk about, again, ExpressBlast rust inhibitor. Again, this is a concentrate here that you'll want to mix into your water products for rust prevention. Keep in mind, this thing will prevent rust, flash rust that is, for about 2 to 3 days, 48 to 72 hours. The beauty of it all is it just takes 1.28 ounces, roughly 1 to 100 ratio. So we've got a little mix here. I don't know if you guys can see it on this side. We're going to show you a before and after, kind of how it works, how to set it up, how to use it. So unlike a lot of its competitors or other rust inhibitors, this thing will not leave any kind of oily residues behind. You're talking about getting rid of your chlorides, salt ions, removing all type of carbon buildup, etc. With this rust inhibitor, but still not leaving any kind of greasy, oily residue behind. But it is eco-friendly, biodegradable, and non-corrosive. You know, depending on what kind of parts that you are, you know, mostly steel. We're talking about steel. Let's be honest. The weather and the humidity, especially the stuff that we got down here in North Carolina. If you're in the South, you know, it is not very friendly or conducive, right, to blasting, and it will rust very quickly. Recommended, believe it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So long as you know you are above the 40-degree Fahrenheit temperature reading, and seeing as though you're not, you know, using this stuff or applying it in the rain, it should work just fine for you. So make sure your surface is clean and it's not literally, you know, raining, or if you're outside and you need to use it, you probably want to schedule for a pretty clear day. So how do you apply it? So you can use it in your power washer, you can use it in your spray can, and you can also use it in a third thing that I forgot in the last 2 seconds.
Water tank for your wet blaster.
That's right, the water tank for your wet blaster. And it's a fairly simple process. We are professionals, so whenever you do this, you should definitely be wearing some freaking gloves or something like that. Again, this is concentrated, but it's eco-friendly. You should be okay. The apparatus that we're going to be doing is a spray tank. We got about a gallon of water in there. Just for demonstration, this is how much you would need per gallon, okay? And just to show you, it's just about an ounce in a 1.25 ounces, right? Ounce and a quarter cup. To reiterate, come on back over here. We're going to spray this steel sheet here. You can use the ExpressBlast rust inhibitor on a multitude of surfaces, not just steel, right? Fiberglass, concrete, galvanized steel, iron, a multitude of different surfaces, okay? There's no discrimination when it comes to preventing rust with this stuff. All right, so we got a gallon of water. You're gonna take this. You're not gonna drink it. You're just gonna pour it right in there, just like that. Do I have to shake this up? Shake it vigorously. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh! That's right. We're in Sanford. I am a Tar Heel, and if this was a Duke Carolina game, I'd be like this on the back of somebody's head. That's it. And then it should be ready to go. Want to try some of this? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.